So hello everyone, in this video we are going to look at another very easy problem in strings, which is nothing but to check if a given string is palindrome or not. So the problem is quite simple, problem statement is quite clear, and let me tell you, we have solved a similar kind of problem in arrays as well. We know that we are going to use the logic of two pointers, and all I want you is, I don't want you to see this video till end. I just want you to pause this video here, execute on your own. You know how to traverse a string now. We have discussed some handy built-in functions. We know how to traverse a string. So I think using logic of two pointers and uh, determining if a given string is palindrome or not is quite easy. So I just want you to pause this video, solve it, execute this on your own, and then come and look at the solution just to check. Or you can even skip this video if you have already executed this. So before diving into the coding part, let's just go into the execution. So so the execution is quite simple. So let's suppose we are given a string like like MO T O M, like this. So what we will do is we will use the logic of two pointers. This is starting index, this is ending index, and we will compare, are these two same? Then S plus plus, so S comes here, E comes here. Are these same? Then S plus plus, E minus minus. Then at the end, S becomes equal to E, and then lastly E comes here and S comes here. So whenever S becomes greater than or equal to E, we will break the string. So to explain in more detail, let's consider we have a string race car. This is a string. So S is here, E is here initially. Are these same? Okay, perfect. S plus plus, E minus minus. So S comes here, E comes here. Then what? Are these same? Perfect. So S comes here, E comes here. Okay, are these same? Okay, S comes here, E comes here. Single. Okay, are these same? Then what? E comes here, S comes here. So every time we just compare, then do S plus plus, E minus minus. So whenever S becomes greater than E, so S crosses E, we will break the while loop and return true. Why we will return true? Because S greater than E indicates that we have traversed the complete string, and all characters at starting and equivalent ending positions are equal. Just in case, just in case, let's take a string like MOTHER, mother. So initially S is here and E is here. Just in case if we find a position where character at S is not equal to character at E, then in that case we will return false. So it's quite simple. So I think the theoretical part is quite clear. If you, just in case if you have not understood, uh, I think the coding part will make it clear for you. So let's just dive into the coding part. So so scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in, new scanner system.in. So we have defined the scanner, and then what? String str is equal to sc dot next line. This will help us to take input from user, and then if check pal of str is true, check pal would be a boolean function, then s out, yes, the string is a palindrome. Perfect. And then what else? S out, no, the string is not a palindrome. Perfect. No, the string is not a palindrome. Then what? Um, so static boolean check pal, static boolean check pal, um, string str, static boolean check pal, string str, and we will define our two variable int s is equal to 0, int e is equal to str dot length, and then -1 because we wish to go at last index. Perfect. Then while s is less than or equal to e, if str dot char at s is not equal to str dot char at e, then in this particular scenario we will return false and s plus plus e minus minus. And if the whole while loop has been traversed and not in any single case we have returned false, then at the end we will return true. Then at the end we will return true. So I think this should work pretty well. Just we need to do sc dot close to remove this warning. Perfect. And so let me just check if there are any errors from my side. I don't think there are any errors. So let's just try to run this. So okay, so sorry, uh, race car. Let's suppose we enter race car, and okay, so yes, it is a palindrome. Perfect. And what if we take some another string like like RACE SAR, something like this. In this case, no, it is not. No, the string is not a palindrome. Perfect. So I think our code is working perfectly. And so this is how our code looks. Initially, we took input from user. We declared a checkpal boolean function in which string is passed as a parameter. It starts from initially we have declared two variables, starts from 0, ending from last index -1. And while s is less than or equal to e, we kept on checking. If at any case we find that character at s is not equal to character at e, then we return false, or else s plus plus e minus minus. And if the whole while loop has been traversed and not in any single case we have returned false, then at the end we will return true. This indicates that the string is a palindrome. So I hope the whole logic was quite clear and the problem was really very easy. So thank you for watching till end. If you think I have made any significant contribution to your logic building, please do consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.